Maytag refrigerator water filter. This product review is proudly brought to you by www.consumerguide.me. Maytag refrigerator water filter UKF 7003P. Now come with 2-pack. The factory original UKF 7003 filter is used in refrigerators by Maytag, Whirlpool, Genair and others. The UKF 7003 filter creates better tasting water for drinking and making beverages, as well as clean, clearer, healthy ice. This filter is branded as Per and replaces the pure-cleaned UKF 7003AXX filter. Features: original OEM product, easy installation and operation, helps reduce chlorine taste and odor, helps reduce contaminants found in tap water, and improves its quality. Tested by NSF International against Standard 42 for the reduction of chlorine taste and odor and particulate. Tested by NSF International against Standard 53 for the reduction of lead, cis, turbidity and other chemicals and impurities. Some customer reviews about Maytag refrigerator water filter UKF 7003P, as below. She said, "It was much cheaper than Lowe's or Home Depot." Heighton Katri said, "I got the item in a very timely manner." And Linda wrote, "With the subscribe and save every 6 months, I no longer have to think if it's time to change out the filter, it will arrive just in time." This product is available in stock now. Click the More Information button for detail about shipping, customer reviews and etc.